Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. I have a question. Could we maybe get a pet? I really want one.
I don't think we are ready to have a pet.
But I really want one.
It's not as easy as you think it is to have a pet.
But I really want one. Please.
Maybe when you get a little older.
Why may I not have a pet? It must all my friends. Good morning, Mom, Dad, and Luna.
Good morning, sweetie. We have something to tell you.
What?
We have decided to get a pet, maybe a dog. We've been thinking and we think you're old enough.
Oh my God, really?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
We can go to the pet store today and see what pets there are.
Hi, welcome to my pet store. Can I help you with something?
We would like to see the pets.
Okay, you are welcome to look around.
Thanks.
There are so many pets. Oh my God, see this cat is so cute. And this dog is so beautiful. This cat is so small and cute. What is the green thing on the shelf?
It's a grasshopper.
Ooh, can I see it?
Sure.
It looks strange. Oh my God, it moved. Get it away from me, please. It's so scary.
Oh, sweetie.
Thanks. Oh my God, this dog is so cute and beautiful. Can we have this dog, please?
Yes, let's get it. We would like to buy this dog.
Okay, it's a boy, and it likes to play. You can find a name for him because he does not have a name.
Okay, thanks. Can we get some dog food and a bone too?
Of course.
Thanks.
No problem. You can pay now.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Now we are home with the new dog. Do you have a name for him, sweetie?
I'll say his name in the next video.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.